Good afternoon everyone. This is our project Charchinar, and you can see this is a 2 BHK apartment of 1092 square feet sellable area, and this is the entry just adjacent to the lift space, and you can see this is the living cum dining area. Beautiful living cum dining along with the balcony attached with the living cum dining area. Very big size balcony space. And this side you can see there is the internal buildings, and this is the gap between towers. So now see again, this is the beautiful living cum dining area, and adjacent to the living cum dining, this is the kitchen space. So beautiful L pattern kitchen along with a window and separate space for refrigerator, you can see. So beautiful kitchen, and just adjacent to that this is the first bedroom. So see the first bedroom. So this bedroom is having windows on both the side, and the size of this bedroom is approximately 11 by 13 feet. And from the bedroom window you can see beautiful view of the city. And now you can see this is the attached toilet along with this bedroom. This is the western commode provision. So let's see the second bedroom. Again we are entering into the living cum dining space, and see this is the common toilet space. Big size common toilet with ample space for bath, western commode. And this is the second bedroom. Beautiful air and light. This is the south side of this project. So beautiful view from the window and the city view, and just see the location. This is VIP Haldiram's, just 500 meters from VIP Haldiram and just 100 meters from Chinarpara crossing. This project is located in an excellent location, a prominent location of Kolkata, East Kolkata, that is Chinarpara crossing. So it's a beautiful flat of 2 BHK, and currently this kind of flat is available single in number. So if you are interested, then please call as early as possible. We are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses, and stay tuned for further updates. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.